YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Not sure who it's coming from, but you guys can check them out. Either my Amazon link will be down below, or their website. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is staying warm. Get the last minute shopping gift ideas going. And here we go. We shall see what this is and what it does. Ooh. Alright. This is coming from my good friends over at Panther. Ooh. This is a Panther Eclipse. Face design brushed. It's kind of like a smartwatch type deal. And this is going to be the Panther Eclipse band. You can get these separate. And like I said, their website link, because I don't think they're on Amazon. So it's a safe link to click. And we'll check this thing out. It's supposed to be really cool. So definitely last minute gift ideas. How do I open it? Right here. Garbage over there. Just goes this way. Shaky. There we go. Okay. And the Panther. Okay, now we shall see what it looks like. There should be an app for it. You got a little USB cord. I think that's it for the bottom. Yep. Little thank you note. There we go. Might have to get this phone ready, just in case. USB. I don't know here. Choosing Panther. They choose me. Alright. Get down to business. Eclipse Smart Band. Magnetic charging cable. Quick start guide. Activity, daily steps, calories burned. Sports mode, stress levels. Sleep. I miss sleep. Got HRV, heart rate. Blood oxygen, resting heart, blood pressure, heart rate, body temperature, cycling, tracking women's health, other functions. So yeah, this basically does it all as like a smartwatch, but this is totally different. How do I get it out? Am I glad to replace? The heck. Stuck. Yeah, there we go. This little dude. Alright. Tiny little dude. Panther. Oh, here's the USB. That's why it looks different right there. Got those prongs. And now, the fun part. Alrighty, here we go, guys. So we'll see what this thing could do. Try it out a little bit. I'm not going to do any exercise or anything like that type of stuff. That's for you guys to do. But I'll show you how to set it up and all that good stuff. And like I said, it is available now for purchase. And if they are on Amazon, which I don't think they are, I'll have my affiliate link. So either or, we'll get you guys in one of these hopefully by this year, if not next year. And here's the rubber band or the straps. Hopefully it's an easy peasy connect. I don't feel like struggling today. I want to take it easy day. Here's that little thingy, you clip it. Alright. Make sure you got the right size. One hole, one hole. Come on, get in the hole. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna pause. Okie dokie, guys. A little wobbly. There we go. Look at this. Bam. Not too bad installing it. Right there. There's a little clamp. You gotta release. Slide it in. Flippy flappy. And it's gotta try it on. There we go. Yeah, this is pretty good feel. If you know what I mean. Let me just slide this right there. Get it on my wrist. I usually don't like wearing things on my wrist anymore. But I'll make an exception. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Okay, there we go. I had to get that little guy installed. And now I'm going to put it on my wrist, this Panther Smart ID, whatever it's called. But we'll definitely download the app and check that out. You know, like I said, I never was into the whole wearing jewelry and types like that on my wrist. Didn't like the way it felt. Kind of like handcuffs. You know? Bing, 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 bing. So, I don't know if I have a big wrist or average wrist. I don't usually look at that. So, I don't know. Alright, now let's take a look at this Panther Eclipse. Okay, that's what it's called. Panther Eclipse. Download. What do we got to download here? Okay, download the app Panther Health. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. Panther Health. This is on the Google Play Store, and you could do it on your iPhone. And now here's the app. It's installing. Should be about a few seconds. And now, Panther New York. Log in, register. Sure you want to hit the register. And it's going to ask you for your email address. I'm going to do that right now. And other stuff, hold up. And now I am registered. I just got to log in. Agree. And then enter your email. Enter your password. That's what I'm doing right now. And it should start up. There we go. You can choose male or female. Don't mind that dot. That's a water damage mark. So this is my backup phone. We'll do male. We could choose a feet. I am about 5'11". So you got a little thingy for centimeters or feet. So either or. All right. Ooh. There we go. Weight, that's none of your business. I will do it on my own. I'll just switch it to pounds. Okay, stop right about there. Next step. Your age used. Your age is used for sleep analysts. Okay. Oh, year I was born. See, I asked you this question. Not 1950. No, not that old. 1979. I could barely remember it. And I was born in the 4th month, which would be April. Please target number of steps. I don't even know how many steps I take daily. I do a lot, though. Whoa. I think we are on. Please connect to your Eclipse. Connect. Add a device. Just click on that plus while using the app. And make sure you hit allow. Now it's going to find it. Bling bling. It might take a second. Not sure if I got it turned. I got to do something. Hold on. Huh. There we go. I can discharge it from my phone. It's going to flash. Alright. I already felt it shake, so I know it's good to go. Just got to hit the search again. There we are. Easy peasy. See? Fast. Boom. Well, see, kind of like a smartwatch. Firmware update. Update time. That might take a few minutes for you guys to set up. Hopefully mine's fast. I'm not sure my... Oh yeah, it's zooming. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, of course. There we go. Camera shy. There we are. So that was pretty smooth. Now we upgraded. Oh, now it's going to download it. Okay, this might take a minute. Uh-oh. Connect. What are you doing to me? Unbinding, clear data, device settings, health monitoring, enable, all that good stuff, heart rate, blood. Let's see. Please allow notifications from it. Yes. Notifications, where are you? What is this called? Panther. Wow. Okay. There we go. Now we are fully active. Now let's see. Boom. That'd be cool if it would have like lit up on the sides. Maybe with some RGB action, LEDs. Maybe in the future watches. Maybe this might be the beginning. Or kind of have some kind of display. Some kind of digital display. But this was more classy for the older folks. Which is, I guess, myself, but I don't judge. Okay, now, here we are. We could do stress. Been there, done that, especially during the holidays. Hopefully everyone doesn't go too crazy this year. Just settle down a little, and it'll be alright. I don't know how I start the day. Sleep. There's a function for sleep. Distance. Calories. Kilometers or miles. Should be able to set different settings. Health monitoring. Heart rate. I'll have it all the way up. Oh, maybe not. Automatic detection. So that's good. It'll warn you if you go kaboom, good night, you know. And device, find my watch. See, when you hit the find my watch, you could feel it buzzing. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Ooh. I think I'm tingling. Disabled DNA mode, what is that? Oh, you could vibration to rise to wake. Just your hand status, we'll keep it as whatever. Incoming call reminder. The device vibrates when your phone rings. See, kind of like a smart watch. Files, CS, we need to change that. Smart alarm. Unit settings, there we go. Fahrenheit. Imperial F. Weight is pounds. 12-hour format. That's where I'm at. But you could just switch it to whatever you guys want. But I'm more comfortable doing it that way. There we go. Whoop. Hey, you almost saw that. No peeking. Permission settings. Enabled. Go to background running. Disabled. There we go. Okay. Third party. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I'll just update when it does it. And you're all good to go. So, if you're looking to get something different, indoor walk. There we go. It's going to start when I start. Heart rate, distance, everything. So yeah, check them out. Panther, link down below. Be safe. Have a good night.